Welcome to Math and Me. This video we are going to discuss about simplify the expression and write your answer without negative exponents. Here is one condition which is negative exponent. Let's start. What does mean negative exponent? It means this math we cannot use x to the power minus n equals to 1 by x to the power n, this condition. So let's start. In here what can we do? Here is 16 into a to the power minus 2 into b to the power 8 into c to the power 20 divided a to the power 6 b to the power minus 4 whole power 3 by 4. Look, we cannot use a negative exponent, but we can use quotient rule. It means, look, Q U O T I E N T rule. What is this? It's suppose x to the power n divided x to the power m, we can write x to the power n minus m. Okay, look, here is two things. One is quotient rule, another one is negative exponent. This is different rule, but we cannot use negative exponent. So here what can I do? Look, here is 16, we can separate everything by 3 by 4. It means 16 we can write 16 3 by 4. Okay, then here is a to the power minus 2 and denominator a to the power 6. We can write a minus 2, and look, as per this quotient rule we can write n minus m. It means here is minus 2 and here is minus 6. It means this one we are using, and here is whole power 3 by 4. Okay, next b, here is 8 and this minus 4 become plus 4, then power 3 by 4, and finally c 20 power 3 by 4. Okay, now look, this 16 we can write 2 to the power 4 and here is into 3 by 4. Okay, and here is a to the power minus 2 and minus 6, it means minus 8 into 3 by 4. Then here is b to the power 8 plus 4, it means 12, and here is 3 by 4. Finally c 20 into 3 by 4. Look, why we can use multiply sign? Here is a to the power n to the power m, we can write a to the power n into m. Okay, now look, this 4 and this 4 cross, so we can write 2. Here is 4 times 2, it means 8, so here is 2, it means a to the power minus 6. Okay, and finally here is 12 cross divided 4, it means 3. It means 4 times 3, it means 3. So here is b, 3 times 3 means 9. And here is c 5, it means 15. So our answer is what? Our answer is, we can write 2 a to the power minus 6 b to the power 9 c to the power 15. Look, in this case a to the power minus 6 we can write a to the 1 by a to the power 6, but for this condition we cannot write this one because we will make answer without negative exponent. So our answer is this answer. Okay, thank you.